Hey there, tech adventurers, buckle up because today we're diving into the super cool world of Gemini CLI, Google's shiny new command line tool that's like having a super smart AI sidekick right in your terminal. Think of it as a coding wizard that writes, debugs, and automates tasks faster than you can say caffeine overload. It's open source, free, and packed with features that'll make your developer life a breeze. Let's break it down with some fun and simple vibes. What is Gemini CLI? So, what's the deal with Gemini CLI? It's Google's take on a command line AI agent built to bring the power of Gemini 2.5 Pro, yep, the big brain model with a 1 million token context window, straight to your terminal. Whether you're coding, debugging, or automating tasks, this tool is like a Swiss Army knife for developers. And guess what? It's open source under the Apache 2.0 license, so you can peek under the hood, tweak it, or even contribute to it on GitHub. How cool is that? It's designed to slot right into your workflow, letting you chat with it using natural language. Want to whip up a web app, edit a massive code base, or even generate a cat meme? Gemini CLI's got your back. Plus, it's got some serious usage limits for free, 60 requests per minute and 1000 requests per day. That's like getting a free, all you can eat buffet for your coding needs. Why it's awesome. Here's why Gemini CLI is the talk of the town. Free and powerful. You get access to Gemini 2.5 Pro with no credit card needed. Just sign in with your Google account and boom, you're coding with a million token context window. Multimodal magic. It can handle text, code, and even generate images or videos through integrations like Imagen or video APIs. Imagine creating a quick app from a sketch or PDF. Google search grounding, need real time info. Gemini CLI can search the web to ground its answers, making it great for fact checking or research. MCP support. It plays nice with model context protocols, MCPs, letting you plug in tools like Hugging Face for model searches or image generation. It's like giving your terminal superpowers. Getting started ready to bring this AI party to your terminal, it's super easy to set up. Install Node.js, you'll need Node.js version 18 or higher. If you don't have it, grab it from the Node.js website, link in the description. Run the magic command, open your terminal and type npx at Google Gemini CLI. Or if you want to globally install the Google Gemini CLI tool so you can access it from any directory in your terminal, hit enter and it'll install Gemini CLI faster than you can microwave popcorn. Pick a theme, choose a cool color theme for the interface. Sadly, no cat themed option yet, but the Dracula theme is pretty perfect. Sign in, log in with your Google account for the free tier, or use a Gemini API key if you're feeling fancy and want higher limits. Start chatting. Once it's set up, you're greeted with a slick command line interface. Type something like write code for a to do list app and watch the magic happen. Pro tip: if you've got an old Gemini code tool installed, uninstall it first with pip uninstall Gemini code to avoid command conflicts. Let's have some fun. Let's take Gemini CLI for a spin with a fun example. Say you're building a cat cafe website because who doesn't love cats and coffee? In your terminal, cd into a project folder and type Gemini or npx at Google Gemini CLI. Then tell it, build a landing page for a cat cafe in Tokyo with Tailwind CSS from a CDN and a menu with cat treats. Gemini CLI will whip up an HTML file and style it with Tailwind. It might even fetch cat images from Unsplash with proper attribution, of course. You'll see it propose changes like creating files or editing code. You can say always allow to speed things up or review each change like a coding boss. Want to add more? Try. Add an about page saying the cafe is run by a family of fluffy Shiba Inus. Gemini CLI will update the project, keeping track of everything in a Gemini.md file for context. It's like having a project manager who never sleeps. Cool tricks. Gemini CLI isn't just about coding. Here are some fun things you can do. Ask questions, type, what's the weather in Tokyo today? And it'll use Google search to tell you it's probably raining because, Tokyo. Automate Git, need to summarize yesterday's commits. Just say, summarize all changes in this repo from yesterday. and it'll give you a neat rundown. Generate media. With MCPs, you can generate a 30-second video of a cat on a spaceship. Why? Because you can. Memory magic. Use the memory add command to save project rules or fun facts to the Gemini.md file. Like always use Tailwind for styling. A quick comparison. You might be thinking, how is this different from Claude Code? Great question. Both are awesome. But here's the scoop. Gemini CLI, free open source, huge context window, and integrates with Google's ecosystem like AI Studio. It's great for big projects and multimodal tasks. Claude Code, super polished but can rack up costs quickly. It's a bit more refined in some workflows but doesn't have the same free tier generosity. Wrapping up Gemini CLI is like a free ticket to an AI powered coding adventure. It's open source, easy to use, and packed with features that make coding, debugging, and automation a blast. Whether you're building a cat cafe website or automating your Git workflow, this tool is a game changer. Want to try it? Check out the GitHub repo and docs, links in the description. Let me know in the comments what you'd build with Gemini CLI, a dog themed dating app. The sky's the limit. If you loved this video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss more AI awesomeness. Got questions? Drop them below and I'll answer faster than Gemini CLI generates code. Until next time, keep coding and stay pawsome.